The number one fruit to eat before sleep for healthy eyes. Stop ignoring that burning sensation in your eyes after a long day of screens. While you sleep, your eyes are desperately trying to repair the damage from blue light and oxidative stress, but they can't do it without the right raw materials. If you don't provide the specific night repair nutrients found in one particular fruit, you are literally accelerating your path to permanent vision loss and chronic fatigue. Most people are aging their eyes by a decade every single year because they lack this one habit. You won't want to miss the final habit, or 99% will miss the last tip and will be stuck with failing vision and eye fatigue for life. The fruit we are talking about isn't just a snack, it's a biological shield. It's the kiwi. Research into ocular health has recently shifted from just focusing on carrots for vitamin A to the massive importance of lutein and zeaxanthin. Kiwi is one of the densest sources of these carotenoids, which act like internal blue light filters for your macula. By eating this before bed, you are stocking up your retinal supply just as your body enters its peak metabolic repair window during the night. But here is the catch. Your eyes are the most vascularly demanding organs in your body. If your blood is thick, your circulation is sluggish, or your systemic inflammation is high, those nutrients will never reach your retina. This is why most health hacks fail. You can eat all the fruit in the world, but if your internal transport system is broken, you're just wasting money. This is exactly why I created the Elite Vitality Masterclass. It's the only system designed to clear the biological traffic so your body actually uses what you give it. Let's look at the science of the kiwi. It's not just about the vitamins, it's about the serotonin precursor. Kiwi is unique because it significantly improves sleep quality and duration. Why does this matter for your eyes? Because your eyes only truly recover when you are in deep REM sleep. High cortisol levels from poor sleep increase intraocular pressure. By eating kiwi, you lower that pressure and allow the ocular fluid to drain properly, preventing that puffy, strained look in the morning. Most of you are staring at a screen right now. That high-energy visible light is literally penetrating deep into your eye and creating free radicals. These are like tiny sparks that burn your retinal cells. The kiwi provides a massive dose of vitamin C and E in a bioavailable matrix that mops up these sparks. But if you're already feeling the sandy feeling in your eyes, the damage is starting to become structural. You need more than a snack. You need a protocol to reverse the stagnation in your facial nerves and blood vessels. In the Elite Vitality Masterclass, we go 10 steps deeper than a fruit. We show you the specific micro-movement sequences that unlock the blood flow from your neck to your optic nerve. Did you know that 90% of people with eye strain also have neck stiffness? They are connected. My course teaches you how to decompress the pathways that feed your eyes. If you want to stop the slow fade of your vision and actually feel a surge of energy every morning, you need the full blueprint, not just a tip. Modern life is an all-out war on your senses. Between LED lights, 5G signals, and processed diets, your eyes are the first thing to break. The sandiness you feel at 4 p.m. is a warning light on your dashboard. Ignoring it is like driving a car with the engine failure light on. The kiwi habit is your first line of defense, but the masterclass is your total engine rebuild. We don't just want you to see better. We want your entire cellular system to vibrate with high energy. The antioxidants in kiwi, specifically the polyphenols, have been shown to protect the lens of the eye from clouding, which is the leading cause of cataracts later in life. Imagine being 80 years old and still having the crystal clear vision of a 20-year-old. This isn't a fantasy. It's the result of consistent cellular maintenance. You have to stop thinking about aging as a destiny and start seeing it as a series of biological choices you make every single night before you hit the pillow. The reason most people fail to see results is lack of synergy. They take a pill or they eat a fruit, but they still have poor posture, high stress, and toxic light hygiene. In my course, we bring it all together. We align your nutrition with your circadian rhythm and your physical movement. This creates a force multiplier effect. When you join the Elite Vitality Masterclass, you aren't just buying videos. You are buying a second chance at peak health. You are investing in the ability to see the world clearly for the rest of your life. Let's get practical about the kiwi. You want to eat it about 60 to 90 minutes before sleep. Don't peel it if it's organic. The skin contains 3 times the antioxidants of the flesh. If the texture bothers you, blend it into a small amount of water. This timing ensures that as you hit deep sleep, the lutein levels in your blood are peaking. This is timed nutrition, a concept we dive deep into within our curriculum to maximize every single calorie you consume for performance. But remember, the fruit is the fuel, and your body is the machine. If the machine is rusted, the fuel doesn't matter. Most of you have rusted metabolic pathways from years of sitting and poor habits. The Elite Vitality Masterclass is the rust remover. We use specific lymphatic drainage techniques and metabolic resets to make sure your eyes, your brain, and your muscles are all firing at 100%. Don't wait for a diagnosis to start caring about your health. High performers act before the crisis happens. If you're serious about protecting your sight and reclaiming your energy, you need to stop looking for magic pills and start looking for systems. The Kiwi is a powerful tool, but the Elite Vitality Masterclass is the toolbox. We have helped thousands of people delete brain fog, eye strain, and body stiffness in just 30 days. The link is in the description. Join the group of people who are actually doing the work to stay young rather than just talking about it. Now we need to address the last tip that 99% of people miss. This is the habit that makes or breaks the vision repair process. It's called the blackout window. Even if you eat the kiwi, if you look at your phone for even 30 seconds after eating it, you trigger a cortisol spike that cancels out the melatonin-boosting effects of the fruit. This stops the retinal repair cold. You must commit to 0 blue light after your evening ocular fuel. This sounds simple, but it's the hardest part of the protocol. It requires discipline. It requires a shift in how you view your time and your health. Most people will watch this, agree with it, and then go right back to scrolling in bed. Those people are the 99% who will be stuck with worsening vision and low energy forever. Be the 1%. Take the kiwi, follow the blackout window, and get inside the masterclass to finish the job. Your future self will thank you for the clarity you preserved today. The path to infinite energy and healthy eyes isn't a mystery. It's a science. We have the data, we have the results, and we have the community to back it up. Every day you wait is another day of cellular damage you can't take back. Rebuild your vision, restore your vitality, and start living in high definition. The choice is yours. Stay stuck in the fog, or join the elite who see the world for what it truly is. Subscribe. Which advice will you start applying today?